Farm animals. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our farm. Today, we are going to learn about some farm animals and their babies. A farm is a place where people grow crops and raise animals. There are many different kinds of animals that live on a farm. Let's find out more about them. A horse is a large animal with 4 legs and a long mane and tail. Horses can run very fast and they are often used for riding or pulling carts. Horses eat grass, hay, and grains. They also like apples and carrots as treats. A sheep is a fluffy animal with woolly fur and 4 legs. Sheep eat grass and other plants. Sheep are very useful animals. They provide us with wool, which we can use to make clothes and blankets. They also give us milk, cheese, and meat. Cat is a small animal with soft fur and a long tail. Cats have sharp teeth and claws that they use for hunting and playing. Cats are very independent and curious animals. A duck is a bird with feathers and a flat bill. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim in water. Ducks live near ponds, lakes, and rivers. They eat plants, insects, worms, and small fish. Ducks are very social and noisy animals. A rooster is a male chicken. A rooster has colorful feathers and a red crest on its head. Roosters live in a coop with hens and chicks. Roosters crow every morning to announce the sunrise. A hen is a female chicken. A hen has brown or white feathers and a red comb on its head. A hen lays eggs that we can eat or hatch into chicks. Hens are very caring and nurturing animals. They take care of their chicks and keep them warm under their wings. Cow is a large animal with 4 legs and a long tail. Cows have horns and ears that they use for hearing and defense. Cows live in a barn or a pasture with other cows. Cows are very valuable animals. They provide us with milk, butter, cheese, and yogurt. A goat is a medium-sized animal with 4 legs and a short tail. Goats live in a pen or a field with other goats. Goats are very clever and playful animals. They can jump, climb, and balance on different objects. Goats give us milk, cheese, and wool. Did you know that farm animals have babies too? Let's see if you can guess what they are called. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby cow is called a cat. A baby goat is called a kid. Game time. I will give you some clues about a farm animal and you have to guess what it is. I am a farm animal that lays eggs. What am I? That's right, I am a hen. I am a farm animal that has webbed feet. What am I? That's right, I am a duck. I am a farm animal that gives milk. I have horns and a tail. What am I? That's right, I am a cow. I am a farm animal that has wool. What am I? That's right, I am a sheep. Well done. You did a great job guessing the farm animals. I hope you enjoyed learning about them and their babies. Thank you for watching and see you next time.